I went to CVS today to get something, and Skullcandy sells this. I didn't know this existed, and I needed one. So when I have this, don't do what I need to do. So I'm gonna open this. It's for the micro USB. I still have some devices that needs to be charged like that, so I can wait. Awesome. A little booklet. Okay, I gotta figure out how to do this warranty thing. I gotta claim it. Cool. Now we get the bag, the charger out. Man, that's nice. It's thicker right here. So actually, let me grab another one I have. It's like a normal one. This is like way thicker. That's this too. That's so cool. And for this one, awesome. This. Oh, it fits nicely. You don't wiggle as much. This is for my Anchor power bank. I needed this. Cool. I gotta see how it handles I need to see how it handles with Qualcomm fast charging. One of the chargers I would have in my old videos. So I'm going to check into that. And it's in a little bag, so it's awesome. And it only cost me like $13. It's like about 4 feet. Yeah, 4 feet. Nice. In a little bag. I like that. Better than having it in a big box. I mean, we don't need that much space to take up. Perfect fits in the little bag. This thing is holding up pretty well. Only because it was at 1 and blinking. A 1 solid and 1 blinking. Now it's 2 solid and it's doing pretty well then. Normally it don't handle this well. Well, the cable doesn't, at least.